Hello MTG fans, your buddy 7 Greensail here again today for another fun-filled day of Magic play. So today I'm gonna show myself playing in the Yawning Portal event thing. So it's a event that's going on till I think the 12th of August, where every win you get nets you at least one card style. And if you win three games, you get 3 card styles and 2,000 gold. So it pretty much pays for itself in the end if you win all 3, and you have up to 3 losses as well to go with it. So we're just gonna jump into some gameplay. I'm not gonna worry about doing the deck tech unless you guys really want it, but maybe I will. Who knows? Brathering. Sure. I guess. I don't. So we'll play that on white. Then we go Ranger's Hawk. Into kicking the door, targeting the Ranger's Hawk. Keep that there. Do a 1/1 Goblin. Like pseudo vigilance here with this now. I'm gonna need more white. Releasing mana. There we go. unlock that. Yeah. I love playing Yawning Knights with some other extra fun stuff. Game number 2, guys. Also, let me know in the comments if you want to see me play more of these event style type things too. I can't guarantee I'm going to be able to get to all of them, but if I have the in-game funds to do so, I'll try my best to try and get it done. And wow. Yeah, we'll just keep that. I mean, nothing like having Ruinous Ultimatum. That would be perfect right now. Not what I was hoping for. I don't need to do that. We'll create a treasure token. Target creature gets -4, -0. Draw a card. Yeah, don't block him. I mean, I want you to, but you're reading him first, so that's it's usually a good sign. But you know what you're doing. Yeah, now he can attack. Oh, darn. It's okay. It happens. On to game 3. Green heart. Well then. One time that I should have just instantly killed it. Ooh. Definitely played my lands wrong there. Yeah. Should have killed it when I had the chance. Oh well. That happens. Snoop de Loop. Oh yeah, I get to go first for once. Not with that hand though. This one's somewhat better. Okay. Come on, hurry up. What do you got? You have to double block him. He's got menace. You want your toy? There you go. Alright, man. Why, yes, I will take... Good game. I'll just end it. Oh, I only have 2 knights. Interesting. Alright, I forgot I only have 2 knights, not 3. This guy's a soldier. Why isn't he a knight? I don't understand. Alright, game 5, guys. Sure, I'll keep that. Oh, look, I got my second red. Okay, now I can use the Survive Triumph for black. No more, no more red mana, please. Oh my gosh. I'm like half expecting that to be a Doomscar. Cause yeah. Cause I can. Ooh. But I think I'm gonna go here. Re-grab the Nadar. Whoa. The treasure token. 75. And also untap him, because, you know, nothing like having a 6/6. And there we have it. That's 5 games, 3 wins, 2 losses. It's okay. Well, we're gonna go ahead and collect the. Alright, so we got Borrowing of Clan Under, Blink Dog, and Westgate Regent. Ooh, nice! I got the vampire dude. Alright, so I'm just gonna showcase the deck because it is a really fun deck. It's a standard take on my Yawning Knights deck that I played a few videos ago. Oh, cool! I got a 4th one of him, I guess. Alright, so you got Light of Hope. 1 white, choose 1, gain 4 life, destroy target enchantment, put a +1/+1 counter on a creature. Paladin class, you guys know all about this because I use this all the time. Portable Hole, 1 white, when enters the battlefield, exile target non-land permanent opponent controls with mana value 2 or less until Portable Hole leaves the battlefield. Ranger's Hawk, 1/1 with flying for 1 white, and then 3 colorless, tap it, tap another untapped creature you control, venture to the dungeon, activate only as a sorcery. Forsworn Paladin, 1/1, 1 black, menace. Black colorless, tap, pay 1 life, create a treasure token, a black and 2 colorless, target creature gets +2/+2 until end of turn. If mana from a treasure was spent to activate this ability, that creature also gains Death Touch. Barbarian class, this is only in here for the haste giving. Falmar Knight, 1/1 with Death Touch for 1 black. It also has Profane Insight instant adventure spell. For black and 2 colors, draw a card, lose a life. Fervent Champion, 1/1 first strike haste for 1 red, and then whenever he attacks another target attacking knight you control gets +1/+0. And then he also reduces any equipped abilities that target him by 3 colorless. And then kick in the door, 1 red, put a +1/+1 counter on target creature. That creature gains haste until end of turn, and can't be blocked by walls this turn. Venture into the dungeon. And then also Shock for the last 1 drop. Delver's Torch is just an equipment that gives the equipped creature +1/+1, and then whenever it attacks, venture into the dungeon. It costs 1 white and a colorless, and equips for 3. Keen-Eared Sentry, 2/1 for a white and a colorless. He gives you hexproof, and then each opponent can't venture to the dungeon more than once each turn. Revitalize, 1 white, 1 colorless. You gain 3 life, draw a card. Steadfast Paladin, a 2/2 with lifelink for a white and a colorless. Fate's Reversal, black and a colorless, return up to 1 target creature card from your graveyard to your hand, venture to the dungeon. Skyclave Shade, 3/1 Shade, for a black and a colorless, as kicker for a black and 2 colorless. So for 2 black and 3 colorless, it enters in with 2 +1/+1 counters. It can't be blocked, and then it has landfall. As if it's in your graveyard, you can cast it from your graveyard this turn. Smitten Swordmaster, 2/1 with lifelink for a black and 2 colorless, and then you can also pay 1 black while it's in your hand. You gain X life, and each opponent loses X life, where X is equal to the number of knights you control. Thrill of Possibilities, white and a colorless, as an additional cost, discard a card, draw 2 cards. Oh no! I'll have to add that back in. Triumphant Adventure, again, you guys know all about that guy. Steel Claw Lance, +2/+2 to equip creature for a black and a red. Equips a knight for 1, equips for 3. Fighter class. Oh man. Red, white. When enters the battlefield, search your library for equip a card, reveal it, put it in your hand shelf for your library. For red, white, and a colorless, equip abilities you activate cost 2 less to activate. And then red, white, 3 colorless. Whenever a creature you control attacks, up to 1 target creature blocks at this combat if able. Steadfast Crusader, 2/2 with menace for a red and a black, and then at the beginning of your upkeep, each player draws a card and loses 1 life. Rip Apart, red, white, choose 1, deal 3 damage to target creature, planeswalker, destroy target artifact or enchantment. And Thrilling Discovery, you gain 2 life, and then you may discard 2 cards. If you do, draw 3 cards. Maul of the Skyflames, white, 2 colorless, when enters the battlefield, equipped to a creature you control. Equipped creature gets +2/+2 and has flying and first strike, and then 2 white and 2 colorless to equip. Nadar, Selfless Paladin, 3/3 with Vigilance. You guys know all about this guy because I use him a lot too. Sparring Regimen, whenever it enters the battlefield, learn, and then whenever you attack, put a +1/+1 counter on target crit attacking creature and untap it. Guardian of the Faith, 3/2 Spirit Knight with Vigilance and Flash for 2 white and a colorless, and when it enters the battlefield, phase out any number of other creatures you control. Inscription of Ruin, white and 2 colorless, has kicker for 2 black and 2 colorless, so for 3 black and 4 colorless, you can choose all 3 witches. Target opponent discards 2 cards. Return target creature card with mana value 2 or less from your graveyard to the battlefield. Destroy target creature with mana value 3 or less. Murderous Rider, 2 black and 1 colorless for a 2/3 zombie knight with lifelink, and then when it dies, put it on the bottom of his owner's library. And then Swift End, 2 black, 1 colorless, instant, destroy target creature, planeswalker, you lose 2 life. Bone Crusher Giant, 1 red, 2 colorless, 4/3 giant. When it becomes target of a spell or ability, Bone Crusher Giant deals 2 damage to that spell's controller. And then red and a colorless, for instant, you can do 2 damage to any target. And it can't be prevented. Damage can't be prevented, I guess, that turn. Crippling Fear, 2 black, 2 colorless, choose a creature type. Creatures that aren't of the chosen type get -3/-3 until end turn. Barrow-in of Clan Under, 3/3 Dwarf Cleric for white, black, and 2 colorless when enters the battlefield venture, and then whenever he attacks, return up to 1 creature card with mana value 3 or less from graveyard to the battlefield if you completed a dungeon. Haunting Voyage, 2 black, 4 colorless, you can foretell it for 2 colorless and cast it for 2 black and 5 colorless. If you cast it for the foretell, you get to return all creatures of the chosen type, otherwise it's only 2 creatures of the chosen type from the graveyard to the battlefield. Embercleave, 2 red, 4 colorless, it has flash. This spell costs 1 less to cast for each attacking creature you control. Whenever it enters the battlefield, attached to a creature you control. And equipped creature gets +1/+1, double strike and trample, and equips for 3. And then the last but not least, Ruinous Ultimatum, 2 black, 2 red, 3 white. Destroy all non-land permanents your opponent's control. And there we go. And that's the deck tech, guys. Thank you guys for joining in. Please share, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you know when I pop up with my next video. And I'm really enjoying doing this.